Good afternoon. We're at the Triple Oak on Andy's property, and the Triple Oak was our loop tree for connecting all the various locations in Connecticut and Long Island and New Jersey for all the trees, as well as the other locations for all the people who went out and treated their trees and followed the storm prep healing whispers. So this was the loop tree. Tree is telling me just exactly where other trees need some help, but you know, on this particular property, these trees are still standing. The tall ones are still standing, and even the oak with all of its leaves are still standing. And he has this property is called Great Oaks, and it has lots of oaks, and they are really standing. And what you really need to see is how strong the wind was and what it did to the copper roof on the house, and knowing what it did made the copper roof on the house look like tissue paper, and yet the oaks with all their leaves remain standing.